The House will be in order.
I rise to give notice of my intent to raise a question of the privileges of the House. The form of the resolution is as follows. House Resolution 114, resolved that pursuant to Article 1, Section 5, Clause 2 of the Constitution of the United States, Representative George Santos be, and he hereby is, expelled from the House of Representatives. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Pursuant to Clause 12 Alpha of Rule 1, the Chair declares the House in recess, subject to the call of the Chair.
Is this what you guys thought?
Did you see that I watched it yesterday? I watched it? Yeah, it is. I've never seen it this way.